Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna react to episode number 8 of Chainsaw Man. Last episode was getting spicy. We got Denji over here going back home with Himeno. By the way, both of them were absolutely drunk at that little restaurant that everybody was meeting up at, and the fact that Himeno brought him back is pretty much saying like, yo, are you trying to, you know what I'm saying? Like, he is obviously gonna say yes, but at the same time, he's like really drunk, so I don't know if this is actually gonna go through. If it does, that is crazy, dude. If it doesn't, which I think that's the route that it's gonna go, maybe because he's just drunk and he's probably gonna be like, you know what, maybe this isn't how I wanna go about this. But then again, Denji's that type of guy with it, he just wants something, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and find out what happens in today's episode, guys. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. Sit back, relax, let's get started on today's reaction video. So it looks like this is pretty much where Denji and Himeno got back home. She's still carrying him, and that's exactly what you would expect from two people that are just completely drunk, you know? Especially the fact that she's even carrying Denji is just wild. Spicy Flower can actually carry me like that. Actually. I like how she's also taking care of him though, like right now, you know, like Denji's absolutely trashed, and she's out here taking off his slippers. Schlumped. My boy is schlumped. This POV right now. I bet you right now she's probably just like, you know what, fuck it.
So yeah, Kimi. Makima-san no koto love desho.
Then he's just trying to stay alive at this point. Here we go. Ooh. Say it. Say it. Do what? Fuck. Fuck. Oh my god, dude. Yo, this guy's literally like, sure, I am all yours. At this point, you control whatever's about to happen. Okay, so this is the part where he's probably gonna have some like internal dialogue within himself. He's gonna reject her. He's gonna say no. Oh shit, he said yes. Yo, dude, honestly, this isn't even an anime anymore. This is more. Oh. What is that? Oh, a lollipop? What is that? Let me find. Okay, let me guess. A lollipop that Makima was probably eating, and he kept it, and this is gonna turn off Himeno, and she's not gonna want to do it anymore. There's a lollipop. The disappointment in his face. Imagine of this flavor every time you kiss. Cola. Coca-Cola. Yeah, so it did not go down as I kind of expected it though. Oh, not Pochita. I can respect his decision making though, just because, you know, I feel like they're both drunk. It wouldn't be, I don't know, it just wouldn't be right, you know what I mean? Oh, I wonder if she even remembers everything that she told him though, you know? Ooh, you see, now that would have been a bad idea too, so. Facts.
マキマさんとくっつける協力するからさ。
But
私とアキくんくっつけてよ。
ah, okay, I see it. Deal. He has to say deal.
どこ好きなの？
顔。
I love how they're both so straightforward with each other.
乗った。
For some reason, I can see Himeno and Aki maybe hooking up or something like that. But Makima and Denji, I don't see that happening anytime soon, at least.
1時に会食がありますよ。
ちゃんとそれまでにお腹空かせますよ。京都の偉い人たちと会いたくないな。みんな怖いんだもん。ご飯は穏やかな気持ちで食べたいのに。
There's something about Makima too that, I don't know, she just seems off. Yo, is somebody looting her? Y'all hear that in the background? Ooh! Ooh! No. Ain't no way this just happened. It couldn't happen that easy. Did they really just murk Makima like that? They've been that means that somebody has been trying to track him down and find out where they lived or, you know, their whereabouts in order for this to happen, because as we can tell, they were talking in teams. So we have people that were following them. Not the grandpa. What is going on? Grandpa with the blicky?
ここのラーメンよく食えるな。味ひどくないか。
誰？
俺は普通にうめえけどな。
わしに気安く話しかけるな。
He wasn't even talking to her. Could he be from the team of assassins that just killed Makima and the other guy?
高い店でいいもん食わせてもらったな。じいちゃんヤクザだったけど正義のヤクザでさ。必要悪って。
Then she's like, bro, can you just shut your ass up? I'm trying to eat my ramen.
何のつもりだ、てめえ。知り合いか？
銃の悪魔はてめえの心臓が欲しいんだとよ。
Oh no. Why is everybody just getting clapped? Ooh. Yes, sir. Okay, now we're getting to the good stuff right now. Yo, what's going on though? Is everybody also being targeted at this point?
私の口にとんでもないものを入れてきたね。人でも悪魔でもない。
Neither human or devil. So it's that person is just exactly like Denji. Swords? A sword? A swordman? We got a fucking swordman now?
So.
Throw these hands, boy. One. Damn, bro. Yo, that is sick. I didn't even know that Aki had this type of curse for him to even use. What the fuck? Could this gun devil guy be a part of like the police or something? The cursed devil? Who the hell is she? Where are these people coming from? She's gonna heal him too. By a lot, yeah. What kind of curse does she have? Clapped. My boy Aki's gonna get clapped if he don't start running away. If nobody helps him, he's done for too. Aki. My boy Denji better come through. Bro, why is she just... Oh, dude, just leave him.
無理じゃん。あいつの動き見えんかったもん。ゴースト。
嫌だ。あの女。恐ろしい。
Even the curse doesn't want to do anything. Okay, who is this little girl and why is she so scared? What kind of curse does she have?
あげるから。ゴーストの全部。
She's gonna sacrifice herself for him.
アキ君は泣くことができる。
Ew.
アキ君はすぐ泣く。面倒見てた新人が死んだ時なんかは隠れて泣いていたから面白かった。あれだけ思って泣いてもらえたら嬉しいだろうな。
The fact that she's actually going through with this. All this effort I feel like is also gonna go to waste because this swordsman guy is gonna end up doing something and it's pretty much gonna stop her curse.
アキ君は死なないでね。
Like she's just disappearing because I'm assuming that's her giving her all to the curse. Oh, Aki, bro, I'm so sorry, dude. Yo, this is sad. I was not expecting Himeno to... Holy shit. A snake? Her curse is a snake? She's dead though. Oh, okay, it did go through. Wow, dude. I was not expecting her to go like this. That is sad. That blows, dude. Especially for Aki. Alright guys, so we had a brutal episode. Very good episode, but it was very packed with a lot of things that went on. The fact that Himeno is gone, at least for what we know, is insane. I was not expecting her to die essentially and leave. The fact that she sacrificed herself for Aki just shows how much she actually cared about him. The swordsman guy obviously is after Denji. The other girl that ended up bringing that man back to life is also in the mix. I don't know who she is or what part of this she has, but apparently she's in link with the swords guy. And she's very strong and she's very scary because Himeno's curse was even like, yo, that woman is scary. I'm shooketh right now, to be honest. So I don't really know what to think, but very good episode overall. I am very happy with everything that I am seeing. This show is very entertaining, even though it can get a little raunchy and stuff like that, but it is very entertaining with the action. But this is what we're gonna leave out for today's episode, guys. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. We are currently at 490 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. We are so close to 500. Thank you guys, because all of you have allowed this channel and myself to get this far, and hopefully we can get a little farther. It's a cool ride. I'm enjoying it. Hopefully you guys like the content, and I'll see you guys then for the next reaction video. Peace.